Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we are starting a new chapter. It is chapter 16 and it is related to our environment. In the environment, there is one development plays very important role student. And that development is known as sustainable development. So about the sustainable development today we will discuss. Now, what is the sustainable development? We use the different utensils in our daily life. All these resources we get from the nature or from the industries. And for those resources, what is essential, student? It is energy. And that energy is obtained by the different sources. Generally, the most in our country, the most of the electrical energy is generated from the fossil fuels. That's why we should use the utensils or the resources judiciously. Because if we will use them non-judiciously, then it will fall the adverse effect on the environment and our future generation will not get those resources, especially the fossil fuels. So what is the sustainable development? It is the development in which the resources are used judiciously for the betterment of the environment and the future generation. Means if we use the resources judiciously or economically, then with the help of that, we protect our environment, and with environment we also save the resources for our future generation. So this is known as sustainable development. This act is known as sustainable development, or this management is known as sustainable management. So what is the sustainable development? The judicious use of resources due to the care of the environment and the future generation is known as sustainable development or sustainable management. With the help of this, it means use of resources for the development in a more meaningful manner. Means we use the different resources, student, like the water resources we use the electricity. Electricity is obtained with the help of the different resources. If we use the water or the electricity in a proper manner or meaningful manner, if we will use, then we can save them, we can conserve them, and by the conservation of those resources, we can give it to our future generation. And this act is known as sustainable management. And with the help of this sustainable management, there will be the development of the natural resources, and that is known as sustainable development. Now, why is it essential? First is all the resources, especially which type of resources? Exhaustible or non-renewable resources are limited in nature, student, because they take time to form, like the fossil fuels. That's why there is need to use them economically or judiciously, because they are limited. Next is to use them in eco-friendly. Means we should use the fossil fuel in a proper, meaningful manner from which they release less pollutant in the environment. Like we can use them in the form of CNG, compressed natural gas, from which they can release the less pollutant in the environment, and we can obtain the more energy from them. So this act also come in the category of sustainable management. Next is to ensure their availability for future generation. Means if we have the sustainable management, then we can ensure that our future generation will obtain those resources. If we will not use them in a proper manner, then our future generation will not get. That's why we should use them in a proper manner, to ensure their availability for our future generation. Next is to ensure their equal and round the year distribution. Means we should use or we should have the sustainable development from which all the resources, all the exhaustible resources can be used equally in the society, and with this they can be used in all round the year if we use them in a sustainable manner or in the sustainable management. So next is to hand over the same or the better environment. Yes, student, if we have the sustainable development in our life, or if we have the sustainable management, then we can hand over the better environment for our future generation, and we can also provide the natural resources for our next generation. So it is the main importance of the sustainable development, that why is it essential? Because if we use the resources in sustainable manner, then those resources can be used without pollution, and they can be obtained by our future generation, student. Next importance is to minimize the wastage. Yes, it is the most important thing, student, to minimize the wastage. As you know, we use the different resources in our daily life, and most of the resources are wasted by us. Why are they wasted? Because we don't use them in sustainable manner. If we use them in sustainable manner, then we can minimize the wastage. Wastage can be minimized. If the wastage can be minimized, then those resources are used by us in a proper manner if there is no wastage, and those resources can be preserved for our future generation. So that's why the sustainable development or sustainable act or sustainable management is essential for our life, and it is the most important question, student. Generally it is asked in your board exam. That's why you try to cover this topic. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.